Hi guys, so welcome to another session on Sanjeev Academy. So today we'll be dealing with the UNIX Module 2. Okay, so we'll be discussing from some few questions, and yeah, so it's going to be a theoretical class. So if you feel boring or anything, it's not my fault. It is completely due to the subject thing only, because most of the things I have to read it out. Okay, but I will help you in the best possible way that I can. Fine, so that it will be helpful for your examination. I think let me just. Yeah. So let's see the questions first. Module 2. Okay. So you'll get an idea on what to study and how to prepare. Explain the use of chmod. Then expect is command. Then wildcards. Grep command. Grep are very important. Then three standard files in Unix. Then if and while in the shell scripting with suitable program. Okay. So coming to this, the is command. Just now we told, right? Correct. So it is used to what? Obtain list of all file names in the current directory. Current directory means which directory currently you are in. Okay, see, for example, you can see here, no? Yes. So I am inside what now? In this PDF is inside what? Downloads. Correct? So the directory name is download. That's all. That is nothing but a current directory. Okay, and then these things you have to read it. If you want, you can pause it and write it down. Because again, in examination point of view, the most important thing for us is the presentation. Okay, again, I have to stress this because in engineering, teachers want to give you marks, but if they see scratches or something, then they'll see it deeply. Okay, so what I wanted to do is focus mainly on presentation. So tabular column. Handwriting is good or bad at a secondary, but make sure that you give more important to presentation. Okay, so coming to file, listing the file attributes, L. So list of all the file names it will throw. Okay, and again, just study on these side headings. This and all you can write it within your own words. Okay, I'm telling you very clearly. Okay, so that will be best for your examination point of view. Next thing, file type and permission. This also you can write in your own words saying that this is the file type. Okay, the first column or whatever it shows the file type. Permission, whether it is public or private. But they will look for something called keywords. So whenever you make stories also, don't write the film stories or anything. Write down technical terms in Unix or programming part. Links, the second column. First column file type, second column link. Ownership, just now I told you, public or private. Because suppose if it is getting to an unauthorized user, he or she can delete. Correct? Group ownership. Okay, so for example, let's take in our WhatsApp only, we have groups. Correct. So the admin can delete. If there are multiple admins, all the admins have the permission to delete. File size. So obviously, we're not talking about GBs and TBs here, bytes. That's it. Last modification time. So that we can see if you download some file. Okay, we can see when is the last time it has been modified or anything. So this is just a sample and example. LSL. Changing file permission. Okay. Yeah. But the important thing is the chmod. Fine, chmod. It only changes the permission specified in the command line and leaves the other permission unchanged. So in chmod, very important question also. This syntax you have to by heart and keep. Very, very important. That's all. Chmod category, operation, permission, file name. Okay. So operations plus minus whatever it is. Removing it. Permission, read, write, execute. So in the sense, some files we can only read. See, for example, this PDF, can I change anything? No, I can't change anything in this. But if it is a Word document, I can change. Correct. So it's only giving me access to what? Read. Correct. Not write. So those things, that's permission. Category, whether it is single user, whether it is a group, all of those things. Okay. So simple only. So it's always changing the permissions. Okay. So you can see here, U is what? User. G is what? Group. So these things you might have forgotten. O is what? Others. These are only important thing. Very, very simple thing to do it. Plus assign, minus remove, equal to absolute value. R read, W write, X execute. So can you see here U plus X. Okay. U plus, so initially this is the thing given. Now what I'm doing, U plus X, execute. So what is the change happening here? User, and I'm executing. Correct? And X chart. Okay. Yeah. So the command assigns what plus and execute permission to the, so it assigns the plus thing as well as the execute permission to the user U. So two things it is giving. See, for example, if I am the user here, okay, is there Sanjeev is the user here? Is there anything called Sanjeev here? Nothing. So neither I can execute nor I can assign. I can't do any of those things. Okay, because that permission is not given to me. It is given to this particular person, Kumar. That's all. Okay, simple thing only. And again, guys, while writing the examination, you can write here anything but without scratches. And make sure that you follow the syntax properly. You can write anything, but no scratches. Once the scratches are there, teachers will find it out. Absolute permissions. See, same thing. Tabular column, don't read any of these things. Just copy it on the tabular column. Pause it and copy it down. And this is the most famous part, 777. Everything it is giving. All the permission. Okay, all the permission it is giving. 777. Directory permission. Okay. So directory permission, we should not either give to a group or to an individual. So for example, make directory. We are making a directory. Just like in this, we can give new folder, right? New folder and all in the system we can give. Same like that. Make dir the Unix level. Recursive changing minus R. Then A plus X is for what? Executing the thing. Plus X. And this shell scripting. Okay. So if you want to use the chmod home directory, then you have to type what? CD and then use it. CD dot dot and all will use it. Anyway, let's see. Yes. Pattern matching wildcard. Star. Any number of character including none. So this again tabular column we have to by heart and keep. So examination, draw tabular column properly and then write it down. Whatever is in tabular column, just write it here and there. Okay. Because again, I am telling you mainly on the presentation point of view so that we can pass the examination. That is the idea here. So you can pause it and you can just go through these things. Escaping and quoting. Escaping backslash. Okay. Here, you can see here to list the content of quoting. Cat. That no, I think in already in the first video I told. remove my/document dot doc. So it will be removed. That's all. Simple thing. See, RM chapter. So chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter. These are all things I discussed in the first video. Then remove this also. Okay. Then coming to grep. So we have to search a file, searching for a pattern. Correct. For that purpose, we use grep. So as you can see here, see, for example, in this also we got a search button, right? Grep only they're using. So it scan for a pattern display, containing the pattern of the file name. As you can see here, AK Shukla, GM sales, production, Sumit Chakravarti, all of those things. Then this is the syntax. Very, very important. So whenever they ask you grep, write down the syntax first. And syntax should be in block letters. Then put this thing in a box and keep it. Which one? The syntax. You'll get the full marks. Tabular column. Minus ignores for case matching. V. Whichever you can study, study that in this. Again, if you want, pause it and write down the notes of the same. The same tabular column. See here, ignoring case I. Grep minus Agrawal employee list. So it will show what I is for what actually ignores the case for matching for that purpose. So Sudhir Agrawal, it has brought. So name Agrawal it has brought, right? Correct. Sudhir Agrawal also has been brought. Deleting lines. Minus with director. Okay. Displaying line number minus N. Marketing M dot listing. So whichever is marketing, that will be displayed here. Counting patterns. Grep's director employee list. So all of those things, whatever is discussed, same thing only. So these are not much, nothing much will be using. Extended thing, not particularly asked. Shell programming. So we know what is shell, right? It is a program that acts as an interface between the user and the system. Okay, because I have to enter the commands. Then if I click execute, the operating system will execute it. That's it. So Linux shell is both in command interpreter and programming language. So those things. The type of shells, just study side headings and keep it. That's it. Bash, because I'm telling you, if you don't have the time, you have to just study side headings and keep it. Bash shell, Bourne shell, and C shell. Okay. Then, if possible, draw tabular column and write your own stories in this. Yeah. Then coming to the if and the case, let me see the while and do while. Yeah, while is there. So while is nothing but, okay, suppose let's say that you're going to buy a phone. Okay, so you're going to buy a phone. So you're asking a permission. Can I buy the phone to your parent? Or your elder brother or elder sister? And if they give you the permission, you will go and buy the phone. So while first is condition. Okay. Whereas there is something called do while. Do meaning first you'll go and buy the phone, then you will tell your parents or elder brother sister. That is do while thing. Okay, so we have to know the syntax first. While if the condition is met, then do that thing. Go and buy the phone, or else not required. Okay, so this is for I is equal to I plus 1, execute. Up to 5. So after 6, what will happen? It will not execute because the condition is not up to the 5. So that's all. So we had no programming. Okay, so 4. 4 variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then echo. If I don't echo in the sense variable, it will display whatever is there in the output. Trap, study the syntax and keep it. So that's all. So I hope I shared you on how to uh, do the programming tricks and everything in the Unix and how to present the paper. That is much more important in this chapter. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.